Planning to discover Seattle, but don't want to be burdened by your luggage? Radical Storage offers an easy and secure solution to store your bags while you enjoy the city. In this guide, I'll walk you through the process of depositing your luggage at a luggage storage point in Seattle with Radical Storage, a trusted platform providing secure and insured storage services. Radical Storage partners with local businesses like hotels, shops, and cafes, giving you peace of mind knowing your luggage is stored safely. To ensure your safety, avoid phishing sites by using the secure link provided to access the official Radical Storage website. Once there, simply type Seattle into the search bar, and you'll see a list of available storage points across the city. Choose a convenient location near major attractions, transit hubs, or downtown Seattle. Select your preferred drop-off and pick-up times, then proceed with payment. Radical Storage ensures secure online transactions, allowing you to book with confidence. Once your booking is confirmed, you'll receive a reference number along with directions to your chosen luggage storage point. When you arrive, just show the reference to the staff and they'll securely store your bags. That's it. You're now free to explore Seattle without worrying about your luggage. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.